Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A42 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type iOS Launcher and download this app from this developer. After that, open it. Tap Allow and click Home button. Choose iOS Launcher and pick Always. Now click Got it and OK. As you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!